Hello guys, this is Jose from Soto Welding. Now we remove the service bed from our donor truck. Remove the service bed and the lift gate. Ready to go. If somebody wants to buy it. This is the truck. This is the truck that we took it off, and we're gonna make a dump truck, for the gardeners. We have the system ready for it. It's gonna be this one right here. It's a 12 foot, 8x8 high, 8 wide, 8 high. So we're gonna be installing it in the F350. We got the bed taken off the F350 Super Duty. We removed the bed just right now. Bed's here. We're just about ready to, go ahead and put the bed, this dump bed on the 350.